Hello students, welcome to maths lecture. In the previous lecture, we have started our lesson number 16, preparation for algebra. Okay, so in that we saw the two main concepts, that is equality and inequality. So what is equality? What do you mean by equality? So equality means when both the sides of an expression gives you the same answer, the same value, then it is said to be as equality. And if the expression is not giving you the same value on both the sides, then you have to say it as inequality. Okay, so we have also completed our problem set number 54 in the last lecture. Now today we are going to solve problem set 55, okay, which is based on equality and inequality. Okay, so let's proceed. So first question, say whether right or wrong. The first expression they have given is 23 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 23. Okay, now they have given you the following expressions. Okay, we have to compare that expressions, both the sides of that expressions, and you have to say whether that given expressions are right or wrong. Okay, so now see, 23 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 23. Now you all know 23 plus 4, we get the answer 27. Okay, similarly 4 plus 23 is also 27. So both these expressions, 23 plus 24 and 4 plus 23, gives you the same value, that is 27. Okay, so this means this given expression 23 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 23 is right expression. Okay, understood? So you have to write the given expressions are right. Okay. Second one, 9 plus 4 is greater than 12. Okay, again they have given you the expression 9 plus 4 is greater than 12. You have to say whether it is a right or wrong. Okay, so first 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. Okay, so therefore 13 is greater than 12. Yes or no? 13 is greater than 12. So this means if 13 is greater than 12 and the value 13 is given by the expression 9 plus 4. So therefore the given expression 9 plus 4 is greater than 12. Why? Because 9 plus 4, 13. 13 is greater than 12. So the given expression is right. Okay. Third, 9 plus 4 is lesser than 12. Now 9 plus 4 again, you will get answer 13. So 13 is greater than 12, and here it is given 9 plus 4 is less than 12. So it means 9 plus 4 is greater than 12. Okay, so this given expression is wrong. Why? Because 13 is greater than 12. So therefore 9 plus 4 is also 13 greater than 12. So the given expression is wrong. Okay. Fourth one, 138 is greater than 138. Now 138, 138. Okay, both are equal. Okay, so 138 is equal to 138. So the given expression is wrong. Understood? Next, fifth one. 138 is lesser than 138. Again, 138 is equal to 138. Okay, both are the same values, 138, 138. So therefore, again, the given expression is wrong. Sixth, 138 is equal to 138. Now, they have used the symbol of equal to. They have used the equal to sign here. Okay, why? Because 138 is equal to 138. Okay, both are same value. So, the given expression is right. Now, next. 4 into 7, 4 multiplied by 7 is equal to 30 minus 2. Now first, 4 multiplied by 7, 4 7s are 28. Okay, and next 30 minus 2, 30 minus 2, 28. So, for the expression 4 multiplied by 7 and expression 30 minus 2, both the expressions gives you the same value 28. So it means if 28 is equal to 28, then 4 into 7 is equal to 30 minus 2. Okay, they both gives you the same value. So therefore, according to this, the given expression is right. Now eighth one. 25 divided by 5 is greater than 5. So first we will find out the value of this. Okay. So 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5 ones are 5, 5s are 25. You will get answer 5. Okay. So 5 is equal to 5. Okay, 5 is equal to 5. Okay, the value of both these expressions are equal, and here they have used the greater than sign. So it means 5 is equal to 5. Means 25 upon 5 is equal to 5. Why? Because both the expressions having the same value. Okay, 5 divided by 25, 5. So 5 equal to 5. Therefore, the given expression is wrong. Next one. 5 multiplied by 8 is equal to 8 multiplied by 5. Now, 5 multiplied by 8. 5 8s are 40. Similarly, 8 multiplied by 5. 8 5 is also 40. Both the expressions gives you the same value. So it means 5 into 8 is equal to 8 into 5 is a correct expression. The given expression is right. 10th one. 16 plus 0 is equal to 0. Now, if we add any number by 0, any number with 0, then you will get the answer as number itself. Okay, so 16 plus 0, you will get 16. Okay, 16 plus 16, 16. But here they have given 0. So 16 is greater than 0, and here they have used the symbol of equal to. So therefore, the correct statement should be 16 plus 0 is greater than 0. Okay, so the given expression is wrong. 11th one, 16 plus 0 is equal to 16. Now 16 plus 0 is equal to 16. Okay, and here already they have used the value 16. So 16 is equal to 16. Both the sides are matching. Okay, or both the sides are having same value, 16, 16. So therefore the given expression is right. Now the last one of question number 1. 9 plus 4 is equal to 12. 9 plus 4, 13. Okay, so 13 is not equal to 12. Okay, 13 is not equal to 12. Instead, 13 is greater than 12. Okay, so the given expression is wrong. Okay, understood? Your correct expression should be 9 plus 4 greater than 12. Okay, it is not equal to 12. Okay, so the given expression is wrong. Understood? Now come to question number 2. Fill in the blanks with the right symbol from greater than, less than or equal to. Okay, so 45, see, now here in the empty boxes you have to use the proper signs. Okay, by looking at the given expressions. Now first, 45 divided by 9 and 9 minus 4. So 45 divided by 9. Okay, so if we divide 45 by 9, you will get the answer 5. 9 5s are 45. Okay, so 45 divided by 9, you will get the answer 5. Okay, and 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is also 5. Okay, so both these expressions are giving you the same value, 5. Okay, so it means both these expressions are equal. Okay, 45 divided by 9 is equal to 9 minus 4. Okay, so 45 divided by 9 is equal to 9 minus 4. Okay, you have to use the sign of equal to over here. Okay, now next one. 6 plus 1 and 3 into 2. So 6 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7, and 3 into 2, 3 multiplied by 2, 3 2s are 6. Okay, so therefore 7 is greater than 6. Okay, 6 plus 1, 7, and 3 multiplied by 2, 6. So 6 plus 1, 7, 3 multiplied by 2, 6. So therefore 7 is greater than 6. So it means 6 plus 1 is greater than 3 multiplied by 2. So 6 plus 1 greater than 3 multiplied by 2. Understood? So you have to use proper signs over there. Now next. 12 multiplied by 2 and 25 plus 10. First, 12 into 2. 12 2s are 24. And 25 plus 10. 25 plus 10, 35. So, 24 is less than 35. Yes or no? 24 is less than 35. Okay. So, as the value 24 is given by the expression 12 multiplied by 2 and 35 is the value given by expression 25 plus 10. So it means 12 multiplied by 2 is less than 25 plus 10. Okay. So in this way you have to use proper signs. Okay. Now the last question. Fill in the blanks in the expressions with the proper numbers. Okay, now here they have given you the expressions. Okay, we have to use the proper numbers within the empty boxes. Okay, according to the given expressions. Now see, first 7 multiplied by 1, 1 multiplied by 7. So 1 multiplied by 7 is 7. Okay, and they have used here the sign of equal to. Okay, so it means both the expressions are equal to each other. So accordingly we have to use the same, same value over here. Okay, now 1 into 7 is equal to 7. Okay, so here also we have to write the number which will give you the same value. Now if we multiply 7 into 1, that is 7 multiplied by 1, you will get the answer 7. Okay, so 1 into 7, 7, and 7 into 1 also 7. So both the values are equal. Okay, here they have used the sign of equal to. Okay, it means both the expressions are equal to each other. So here in the empty box, the missing number is 7. Okay, 1 into 7 equal to 7 into 1. Understood? Next, 5 multiplied by 4 is greater than 7 multiplied by dash. Now 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. 5 4s are 20. Okay, this 5 multiplied by 4 should be greater than the value given by this expression. Okay, so if we multiply 7 by 3, you will get the answer 21. So 21 is greater than 20. Okay, understood? Here we have to show that 20 is greater than that number. So if you multiply 7 by 2, 7 2s are 14. Okay, 7 2s are 14. So it means according to the expression, we have to write the number 2 over here in the empty box. Okay, see, they have used the sign of greater than. Okay, means the value given by this expression should be greater than value given by this expression. So 20 should be greater than this value. Okay, the value given by this expression. So here 20 is greater than 14. 7 2s are 14. So that is why we have written here 2. Now 48 divided by 3. 48 divided by 3, you will get answer 16. Okay, and this value should be less than the value given by this expression. Okay, understood? So 16 is less than the value given by this expression. So you can write down the number. See, if we multiply 5 by 4, you will get answer 20. Okay, so this 16 is less than 20. They have used less than sign. See, means the first expression is less than second expression. So for 48 divided by 3 is 16, and the value given by this expression should be greater than 16. So here if we multiply 4 by 5, you will get the answer 20. So 20 is greater than 16. Okay, so that is why I have used the number 5. Okay, so the missing number is 5. 5 multiplied by 4. Now next, 4. 0 plus 1 greater than 5 into dash. Now 0 plus 1, you will get answer 1. Okay, if we add any number to 0, you will get the number itself. 0 plus 1, 1. So this one should be greater. See, according to the sign used, greater than sign they have used. So 1 should be greater than the value given by this expression. So if you multiply 5 by 0, you will get answer 0. The number should be less than 1. Okay, so 5 zeros are 0. So the missing number is 0. Next, 37 divide by 7. Sorry, it is 35. 35 divided by 7 is equal to dash plus dash. So they have used here equal to sign. See, so 35 divided by 7, you will get the answer 5. 7 5s are 35. So the answer of 35 divided by 7 is 5. Okay, so the value given by this expression should be 5. So we have to write the numbers accordingly. Now see, if we multiply, if we add 3 plus 2, you will get answer 5. Okay, so both this expression should give the same value. So 35 divided by 7 is 5. Also 3 plus 2 is 5. So 3 plus 2. Okay. And the last one. 6 minus dash is less than 2 plus 3. Now 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Okay. And 6 plus dash, this expression should give you the value lesser than 5. Okay. See, they have used the less than sign. So if we subtract 2 from 6, you will get answer 4. 6 minus 2, 4. So 4 is less than 5. Okay, so it means 6 minus 2, that is 4, is less than 2 plus 3, that is 5. Okay, understood? So the missing value is 2. Okay, so this is a very simple problem set. Okay, I hope you might have understood. So in this way we have finished our problem set 55. In the next lecture we will see the use of letters in algebraic expressions, and also we will solve the last problem set of this lesson. Okay, so till that, stay safe, stay healthy and take care. Thank you.